how to clear Safari web history on your iPhone. So for that, you just have to go to your settings. Now, after you open settings, scroll down, and from here we need to visit the app section of this. Tap here, and now all we have to do is find Safari from our app list. There we go. Just tap on Safari. So now once you have you are in this screen, scroll down, and after scrolling down you will find this option, clear history, and you can choose all history, last hour. So you choose it according to your need, and after choosing it, just tap clear history. So yeah, this is how you clear Safari's history on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and have a great day.